Hello everyone. Today I want to share my this video to help those people who want to repair their air blower or heater, to how to repair it. And let me show you the this is the I think you can see it. This is the hot air blower, or we call it blower. So let me open it, and I will show you the what's wrong with it. And so I will forward this video to save your time, but for the time being I want to show you the whole process, so keep in touch with me. So guys, I have opened this electric heater, and you can see this is the airflow motor which is not working. So I will open it and again let you know the problem behind this motor. So keep in touch with me. So see you again later. So guys, I have opened this electric motor or fan motor of this heater blower, and you can see the dust and other particles in this, and there are jammed grease, which was, I think, with the heat it was, and the passage of time, the grease is not smooth enough to rotate this turbine. So that's why I think this motor fan is not running properly. So now I want to clean it, and again I will use the kerosene oil to clean this. So guys, I have just installed this fan motor after cleaning with the kerosene oil, and I have also blowed the whole device. This is a heating device. So the problem is that this motor was jammed, and now I have opened it and cleaned it with the flow of air and with the kerosene oil, and again grease it. And now let's see what will happen, and I will cover it again and turn it on again. So how is it working? So let's see. Guys, I have covered this heater, and now I want to show you the result of this heater. Its motor fan was jammed because of, now you can see the motor is going on smoothly, and if you can hear the sound of air, and it is now working properly. So this is my video to repair this heating blower, and thanks for watching my video, and like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask any sort of question and comment me. I will try my level best to reply you. So bye bye for now.